Hi, everyone. It is Kelly Ortiz with Guru Travel here to showcase the College Green Hotel in Dublin. Welcome to my room, which is a deluxe king room. I absolutely love this hotel and this space. The bedding was ultra luxurious. We were able to request extra pillows. The view outside our room was that of Trinity College, which is absolutely amazing. You'll see that it comes with some various snacks. You have a fridge in the room, and you also get the signature tea, which everybody loves. Absolutely fell in love with this luxurious bathroom. You have the option of the shower and, of course, a super soaker tub. This particular hotel is situated in the heart of Dublin. You're very close to iconic landmarks like Trinity College and the Dublin Castle. We were a 7-minute walk from Grafton Street and directly across the street from Temple Bar. Contact us today to plan your Ireland vacation.